Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to July 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. So I believe that this is my base box. I have no idea when my premium will show up, but this is kind of Boxy's last chance with me. If this box does poorly, I shall have to sadly say goodbye, I think, because the last few months have been bad. Usually I kind of go through last month's products and tell you what I like, what I didn't like. But you know, I'm kind of over that. So we're going to change the way we do things. I'm just going to open the box and I am going to show you what's inside and tell you my thoughts on it initially. And then I will include Boxycharm items and stuff in my favorites and fails videos because otherwise these videos get way too long. So that being said, we're going to get started here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes you can have fun with color at any age. If that sounds interesting to you, if you'd like to see a little bit more color in your timeline, it would be super awesome if you decided to stick around and subscribe. So let's pull out the old scissors and let's cut into this baby. So it just showed up today. Now I did film this look if you are interested. It should be up, well, it's going to be up after this video. But I changed my clothes. Look at me making an effort. So here we go. Let's open this up and let's take out the card. This month's theme is sunshine. It's kind of actually a cute little card. And let's go ahead and see what we've got here. Okay, if I can get it here. Oh golly, here's what it looks like. I see something I don't know that I'm super excited about it. Let's start with this. So it's a color switch. I don't know, a color switch is nice, I suppose, but I tend to use this generic one using the foam from Boxycharm. That works great for me, so this is kind of redundant. But anyways, it's a color switch. This is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. It's reusable and washable. So it looks like this. We've all seen these before. This is a bit of a different texture, so actually I might be interested to see how this works compared to what I have been using. So I don't know. This retails for $17. Just going to do the math as we go. Next up, I'm not super excited about these. These are some tweezers. These are the Cella Slanted Tip Tweezers. These slanted tip tweezers feature Cella's signature unique no-slip grip coating and stainless steel slanted tips for precise hair removal. These retail for $20. So I don't mind getting tools in my Boxycharm, but I'm not super excited about tweezers in my Boxycharm, to tell you the truth. I have a lot of pairs of my own, and I don't know that these are going to be any better than what I already have, if that makes sense. It's quite sharp. I don't know. I'll obviously I'll test them out and see what I think. But so far we're not off to a great start. The next thing we have is the Ciaté London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciaté London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous, ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. I'm not going to be mad at this because I actually really like the setting powder. It's one of my favorite. I liked it so much that I ordered some more in the Boxy like add-ons or something, or pop-ups, one of those. So this retails for $22. And I'm just going to try it out. Why not? So the packaging is really cute. It's got this nice gold cap. It's got kind of like a pearlized, you know, bottle here. Everyday Vacay. Let's see if, oh, that's quite the sprayer and quite a big nozzle. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's a very nice mist. And it does smell like coconut. This will probably be something that I like and definitely something I can use and enjoy. So this is not bad. I do still feel like I need to go in though after I spray it and just kind of pat it in. I do that with all of my setting sprays except for the Veil setting spray from Hourglass. That stuff is so fine, you do not need to do it. All right, next up is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. This retails for $49.95. So this actually sounds very interesting. I've been getting a lot of skincare lately, which is kind of annoying. But this sounds like it could be a good serum. The packaging is really nice. This is a nice heavy glass bottle. It feels really nice. And it's very pretty with this kind of gradiated color. Let's just kind of smell it. It doesn't smell the best. And I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like a cloudy liquid here. So I will be interested to try this out. I'm always looking for something to brighten my old dull skin. So let's see, it says to use it, apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. And it can be used in the morning and the evening. Mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, can be applied in the morning and evening. So yeah, I'm actually excited about this. I'm gonna start using this tonight and see what I think. So that looks like a win, yay. And then the last thing in here is a palette. It is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigments palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. Retails for $36. Okay, so let's open this up and see. I do have the Pure Festival palette from last year. I think we got that in a Boxycharm too. That one's really colorful. This one looks a little bit more like warm toned with a pop of blue. Looks like what we're happening here. But oh, okay. That's actually very pretty. Way different from what it looks like on the box. This makes it look very dark and kind of sultry. I mean, look at the difference. Look at the difference in that. That is so different. Like, so different. So this is interesting. Maybe we'll go ahead and swatch this right now. Let's take off the old watch. And we're going to start at the top. So I can't tell if these are glitters or what's going on here, but we're going to start here and we're just going to go across. So these first two are like a shimmer. They seem very similar on the finger here. Let's go ahead and swatch them. This is Euphoria. I don't even know if you can see that. This is Pure Bliss. They don't feel like the best quality. So this one is a little bit more, a little lighter, a little more champagne color. Let's see if we can build it up a little. Yeah, I don't know if you can even see that on my skin. It's about the same color. The next shade I have is, what is this? Photo Op, which is just your basic brown shadow. Next up, we are going to go with these three. Kind of a mess over here. So this is the shade Dreamland. Ooh, that's very nice. It swatches way better than I expected. This is Turn It Up, which is loud and proud and in charge. I kind of like that one. And then Insta-worthy. I'm not sure that this is what I would call Insta-worthy for myself, but there you go. So there's where we are so far. Then we have, ooh, that one feels much better. So this next shimmer is called Vibes, and it has a different feeling. It's a wetter feeling than the first two I swatched. Very nice. That is Vibes. And this is On Set, another dark brown. And then Utopia, which is kind of a bluey gray kind of shade. at least in the pan. So that looks like it could be like a bit of a duochrome. That's nice. All right, then the last three, it looks like I've got like one that's supposed to be more shimmery, one that looks like a satin, and then another like shimmery one. So this is Electric. That is really pretty. Fantasy World is this purple shade. And yeah, that one is definitely not quite as metallic. And then the last one is VIP Pass. There we go. So that is the palette all swatched out. I think that the first two shimmers are kind of weak, but after that they get better. I'm really excited about this shade right here, which was, what was this? Turn It Up. And I really like Dreamland as well. That's really pretty. So yeah, I guess that's everything in my box. My box totaled $144.95. Not bad for $25 plus tax. And they definitely beat that. What is it? They say $125 is what it's supposed to be worth. So definitely beat that. Again, I'm not super excited about these tweezers. And the color switch is hit or miss. I'm not sure how I feel about this yet. We'll have to try it out. But everything else I think I'm excited about. And finally, I get a palette that I will actually maybe use. So yes, that's everything for today's video. I should have this up probably tomorrow. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button down below. While you're there, scooch on over, hit subscribe, and next to subscribe is that little bell. If you ring that bell, you will be notified of all of my uploads. And of course, you can find me on Instagram at seemybliss_beauty. And I guess that is everything until next time, until I get my premium box. I will see you guys later. Be kind to each other, take care of each other, wear your masks, and I will see you later. Bye.